So this is the beautiful vintage Coach Ridgefield flat bag, style number 9812. This bag was made in the US in 1999, and as you can see, it's in the color black. It even comes with this little Coach booklet and this registration card. So it's just a great little collector's piece. So it's just a great little crossbody bag. The strap is also adjustable, which is nice, and it does come with the matching two-sided hang tag. So here's the front of the bag. It does have a front gusseted pocket under the flap, so this kind of pulls out a little bit, so you could makes the pocket a little bit larger that way, I think. And then here's what the side of the bag looks like, and then here's the back. And it does have a nice slip pocket in the back, so you could most likely fit a phone back here. And when we open the bag again, I'll show you, it does have a back zip pocket as well. So it's got this front gusseted pocket, the back zip pocket, and then it's also, like I mentioned, got this back slip pocket here, so 3 different pockets. And then of course it's also got the Coach Creed inside, so you can see that the bag is authentic. So that is the beautiful Ridgefield flat bag, and she is available in our Etsy shop. I just listed her, so I will leave the link below if you wanted to check her out. But otherwise, thanks so much for watching. Take care, and I'll see you in our next video.